Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Sunday morning and we're getting ready for another project update. This is week 18 and I was hoping that it was going to be a really big one with all the floors actually all done, but unfortunately that didn't happen because of a scheduling error last week. They were only able to get about half of it done, but I still promise this is going to be a really great one. So let's hop inside and see and show you what was done during week 18. So let's turn the corner here. Let's open the doors as usual, and let's flip this camera. All right, look at that, looky there. Those are those diagonal slats that connect the wall to the ceiling. And I'm gonna zoom out so you can actually see this whole thing here. Look how cool that looks. I'm gonna get right underneath it, and you can see how there's no ceiling above the slats. It's like something you would see at the AGO or the ROM in downtown Toronto. Look how cool that is. Wow, it has such a cool effect. I'm gonna flip. So, you know, we put a lot of thought and effort into designing this place because we really didn't want people to walk in and feel like it's a dental office. We really wanted to give the feeling and evoke the emotion that you're walking into a design studio. There's a quote that says, "The good things that we build actually end up building us." And I really wanted this place to inspire this whole community to be able to strive for their dreams and make those dreams become a reality. And I really think that when somebody comes in here and they see the ceiling and they see those design elements, it allows them to be creative, to want to be able to express themselves in ways that they didn't know was actually possible. And this is how I'm expressing myself through the art of dentistry. And as a dentist, I see myself as an architect of smiles, or like an engineer for full mouth rehabilitations. And I wanted that feeling that you're walking into that studio or that architectural firm. And I really think that it really did capture that. So I'm really impressed with how everything is turning out so far. And I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys the floors, but because of that, I'll share with you something else really special. I'm always full of surprises, you know? And so walk with me here. All right, actually, let's take a step back. Remember our hallway there, our corridor. You can see that those wooden elements that we see in the reception area follow through into the corridor. I showed you that awesome ceiling that we have in our operatories, but follow me here. Let's see. With a flick of the switch, check this out. Look at that. Each of those beams that are in the hallway there actually have lights that shine and illuminate the hallway or the corridor, and at the same time lights above the beams that actually illuminate and highlight the height of the ceiling. And so when you design something, definitely incorporating a functional element to it is really cool, because it not only looks great, but it actually serves a purpose too. So I'll walk right underneath here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. And again, remember our operatory ceilings with the lights. And the other cool thing is those beams in the actual corridor actually follow through into the operatory. Come on, that's mind-blowing, guys. Love it. Flip the camera. So I think this coming week is going to be another big one. We're going to be finally finish the floors. We're going to get a lot of the other millwork elements in. Stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching, everybody. This is week 18. Next week, we're going to see more of what happens here at 416 Dentistry in Scarborough. Peace.